What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for subscribing. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about Cardano on the day. We're seeing a positive price action going into the green on Cardano. And then I'm going to get into, at the end of this video, kind of what's going on, a couple catalysts involving Cardano as we enter into 2023, and kind of my outlook as it relates to Cardano. And just because you guys all know my position within Cardano and my belief system involving the long-term perspectives of Cardano. So I'm going to get into that. We're going to take a look at a quick article, go over a bunch of topics surrounding this price action, and then I'm going to give you guys my thoughts at the end. So stick around, hit that subscribe button if you have not done so, like this video, and drop your comments down below on Cardano. Where do you guys see it going in 2023 as we start off into January in Q1? So with that being said, let's get down into the crypto news. You can see Cardano up 4.4% at the time of this recording. All right, so overall crypto, really positive day. We're seeing a lot of breakout into the green. These are all of our favorite cryptos we talk about on the channel, all right? With Solana, the only one that is down currently, almost 2%, okay? So crypto is having a nice start to this Wednesday, and then let's get into this article. So at the time of this publication, Cardano's price is soaring by 5% as buying pressure mounts. All right, so what does that mean? All right, so we all know that Cardano's lows keep going lower, right? So the two-year low was just recently seen on December 30th at 23 cents, all right? So then at the time of this publication, we are seeing an uptick to 26.4, all right? So that is within the last 24 hours. We have seen a price increase of 5%, and trading volume is at 250 million, okay? So, but if you look at the one-day chart, the simple moving average, okay, and the RSI, it is favoring a more bearish environment, okay? So it is also indicating that Cardano is still very discounted, all right? We're going to get into that a little bit later. However, the bulls are looking for momentum as we see these crossovers and these indicators, but we still need to break through that 30-cent threshold, in my opinion, because that is the the level where I kind of changed my thought around Cardano in the short term, where I would not be adding to more because of my position, just because of, okay, I thought if Cardano could get that low, you know, some of the stuff and the analysts I was listening to, it could go even lower, all right? And so I kind of want to get some more positive momentum. And I'm not scared to lose out a little bit just to have my certainty involving Cardano at these levels, okay? Because this is unprecedented water. This is the lowest I've seen Cardano in my trading of the coin. So when we talk about it, all right, so let's talk about where Cardano can go from here, all right? So we've seen these rejection at the 26 and 27 cents level, okay? And then this 5% uptick we are seeing could be the first step to get close to that 30 cents level and break through that 28 cents resistance, all right? So now we don't talk about technical analysis a lot on this channel, and in my trading outlook, I don't really use it. I use it more of a tiebreaker, okay? And that's just because as it relates to investments, I kind of see TA as more of a tiebreaker, if you will. There's just not a lot of precedent and history involving cryptocurrency. So when I talk about TA and all of the charts and all of the, you know, the levels that we are trading at, it's more for short-term swings, which is okay, and it's useful. It does help, and you can profit from those trades. But in terms of like predicting long-term outlooks and whatnot and price predictions, I think TA is useless in regards to the fact that there has not been much historical data involving TA with crypto. So let's get back into these two positive things that could be happening to spur this price higher, okay? So when we talk about Cardano, everybody is aware of their DeFi ecosystem building, okay? So they take this low and slow approach down their roadmap, but they keep on developing and adapting to the crypto markets, all right? They're not just going all in and coming out below or above. They're not taking that approach. It is a low and slow, grinded out of approach, and that is something I respect Hoskinson over the year because a lot of his peers kind of have not taken that approach, and they've kind of went all in on some projects, all right? And it's done good, and it's paid off, and it hasn't for some you know, blockchains and coins. So when we talk about Cardano, all right, so their low of 48.95 million with their total value locked has risen again to 52.53 million. Okay, so that is important catalyst to look in Cardano just to see them growing. All right. So this is another at least 3.5% increase over the last 24 hours. Okay, so that is very, very crucial. All right, so now we are seeing an uptick that could even be larger for Cardano due to following the money. All right, I always talk about follow the whales, follow the money. So we see whale stats showing that the largest positions that these whales have, they keep buying Cardano. All right, so Cardano are within the top 10 of the 4,000 largest BSC whales in the last 24 hours. Okay, so that represents 0.68% of the total supply of Cardano is held by BSC whales, of these top 10 whales. Okay, so now we are seeing Cardano just getting bought up by the whales. All right, now there's tons of whales, and you can't get too caught up in all that nonsense, but it is an indicator that I look for, because it is people that are on the inside that do profit in the short term and have long-term belief systems as well. So that is something very crucial to use in your investing tool bag when we look at long-term plays, short-term plays. Just follow the whales, follow the money. So that's where I'm going to be. I'm still on the sidelines as it relates to Cardano. I want to see them get through that resistance level and back into the 30s. And I want to get more positive sentiment as it relates to all crypto moving forward. But I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on Cardano. But please hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. And thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. But remember, not financial advice, and please do your own research with all things financial. Thank you.